Let's test out the wok.
Stop!
Is that loud?
Yeah, stop. Saturday morning. Stop!
That was YYZ.
I don't care what that was. Just don't do it.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. Today we're making cauliflower chicken fried rice.
Oh my God, no. Did you scratch your pot? You scratched it. You scratched the pot.
It came like that. So today we're making cauliflower chicken fried rice. Twist! There is no rice. It's all cauliflower. How is he gonna do that? You're gonna find out. Stay tuned.
Don't like the close-ups.
Okay, well it's just now anyway. So what are we drinking? Glad you asked. It's a gimlet. These are delish.
And trash.
Cheers. Ooh. Okay. All right. What do we need? First thing, we need our rice.
That's cauliflower.
It's rice. Just wait. Just wait.
Thank
We
you.
got 2 pounds of chicken. 2 pounds. We're gonna steam up some broccoli. Throw some bean sprouts in there. And we're gonna make a nice little sauce. Let's get it started! Woo! First, we're gonna start off with the chicken. We're gonna cut this guy up. There. Just gonna cut it into little pieces, little strips here. Done. Done. Chicken laid out. Lightly just salt it. Lightly. Done. Pepper. Done.
I feel like we're not done.
We're done. And that's the dish. Would you like some?
No.
Here, take a piece. All right, we got a chicken. We got a couple of pots here. This is a pot of water for our broccoli. We're gonna steam that, so let's get that boiling first. Next, let's get our chicken going. We're gonna start off with some grapeseed oil. All right, let's get this pan hot. Pan's hot, let's get that chicken in there.
The yelling.
Are you eating a lime? Kobe. Chicken's in the pan! Let that cook for a couple of menus. All right, we got our chicken going. Let's get started on our hipster rice. Woo!
Hipster rice?
Yeah, AKA cauliflower.
Uh-huh.
Hipsters love this. Like butter.
So what are we doing? Just cutting it down the
Just
middle?
gonna cut it down. We're gonna cut these into florettes.
What?
I don't know. It's an amateur kitchen. Take our florets, food processor, food processor, food processor. Ready? Where's that going?
And the garbage.
Food processor. What's this? Food processor.
What's this?
That's
My mouth.
key to cauliflower rice. We just figured it out. Smaller pieces. Don't be lazy, okay? Don't do it. 'Cause we just did it, and now it's more work. Watch. Pause. Done. Look at that. Cauliflower rice.
Stop
All right.
yelling into the cauliflower.
Sorry. Scoop skis. Make sure you take the knife out because you don't want to eat that. That hurts. Cauliflower rice. Let's check on our chicken. Chicken's ready to stir. Let's flip it up. Let that cook for a little bit longer. Chicken's going, rice is ready. Let's steam some broccoli, all right? And you guys can put whatever you want. We're just gonna do broccoli. Ooh, The broccoli. Huh? President? Broccoli?
What?
Obama.
That was-
Got a little steamer here. We're gonna just put that right on top of the water there. We're gonna put our put our plant in here.
Broccoli.
Broccoli, thank you. Lid on. We're just gonna steam that for like 4 minutes. Like not that much at all. Chicken's going. Broccoli's going. Now it's time to drink. Now let's get a sauce going. You don't have to make a sauce, you can just use soy sauce. We're gonna make a sauce. It's gonna be amazing. So make a sauce.
I feel like I don't want to make a sauce.
You're gonna make a sauce!
I still feel like I don't want to make the sauce.
Alright, for the sauce, you need an onion, okay? We got a white onion here. We're gonna use about half of it. Alright, so we'll just kind of trim it, halve it. You don't really want to eat the paper.
That's not paper.
What is it then?
The outer layer.
Aha, it's paper.
No, it's not.
I knew it.
It's the shell.
You were right, J-Mac.
It's the skin.
Alright, I'm gonna roughly chop this because we're gonna put that in the food processor. Food processor angle! To the onions, we're gonna do half a cup of soy sauce. That's gonna take a while. Half a cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar. We're gonna do about a tablespoon of ginger. And then I always do 3 cloves of garlic, so like, and like all the recipes, it's always like 3 cloves of garlic, so we're gonna change it up. We're gonna do 3 cloves of garlic.
I feel like you're still using 3 cloves of garlic.
No, it's way different this time.
This is our sauce.
All right, boom, sauce is done. Get this into a bowl. Look at that. Ooh. Broccoli's done. Whoa, that's hot.
Why would you do that?
It was hot, I didn't realize it'd be hot. Chicken's done. Let's get that off. All right, we got all the ingredients ready for stir fry. You don't need a wok, but man, if you got them, smoke them. Let's go. Now, we got our wok on. We're gonna start with the cauliflower rice. The rice still has water in it. I'm not about to squeeze that out, okay? So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna cook some of that water out. So we're just gonna put that right in the pan there. Got that in there, we're just gonna stir it up and let it dry out. Dry out and get to the consistency of rice. All right, you ever wonder like what they're doing like back at Chinese restaurants? They got shots lined up in the back. They're cooking on woks right now and they're doing sake bombs. That's what we're doing right now. Sake shots. Let's go. Here it is. There's yours. Sake cheers. Mmm, so smooth. All right, just got our rice dried out. It only takes a couple minutes. We're gonna push that off to the side. We're gonna take an egg, crack it right in there. We're just gonna stir that up. Mix, rice back in. Now we can add our other ingredients. Full helping of chicken there for ya. Let's get some broccoli. More florets. We're gonna add some bean sprouts. Ooh. I'm gonna mix that up a little bit. Our sauce. Ooh, that smells amazing. Last thing we're gonna do, when that's all ready to go, we're just gonna cut some little onions in here, little green onions. Like this. Scoop it right into our bowl. That bowl down. Just gonna cut a couple more green onions right on top of there. Then, we're just gonna finish that off with some sriracha. And that's chicken fried cauliflower rice. Chicken cauliflower fried rice. Chicken cauliflower fried rice. Chicken cauliflower fried rice. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, if you hate the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Throw a like on there, post a comment, take a sake shot, share the video. Thank you.